welcome back to Red Ted Art. Oh yes, it's our mini series of pencil holders, desk tidies, pen pots, whatever you want to call it. Super quick makes in less than 5 minutes and a really fun way to decorate for Christmas. Let's take a look and see how Rudolph is made. So to make our Rudolph pen pot, you will need an empty tin can. You will need a selection of paper. Now I've got different types of browns here. We'll talk about those in a minute. Pen, glue stick, tape, and scissors. Now the reason why I was talking about different browns is just have a rummage as what you've got at home. So you could have Rudolph with light antlers or Rudolph with dark antlers. I'm going to do the dark antler one, but you could use black or you could use pens and colour it in. So it's, as always, it's really having a look at what you've got at home and trying to make the most of it. So I'm first going to measure my tin can by wrapping it, aligning it as neatly as I can, making a little mark at the top, and then also giving it a little squish around the bottom. That'll tell me where the bottom is. You can measure it out as well if you want and use a ruler. I'm just being a little bit lazy. And now I've got my little mark, I'm going to cut just on the inside of it. And I've got a little mark at the top somewhere, she says. Not sure where that's gone. Let's just cut it and hope that this fits. Let's just double check. Good. Phew. So we've got our basic brown. Now we need to decorate it as Rudolph. So Rudolph will get a nice big nose. So let's cut a circle. Did I say a circle? Let's cut an oval. And then we're going to draw two nice big eyes. In fact, I might cut them out first. Let's cut them first so that they're the same size. You can use a 10p coin or the lid of something to trace if that's easier for you. That's two eyes. I've got this here so I can draw on it and protect my work surface. So I'm going to put a black outline. And another one. These are really nice big eyes. You can of course have any size eyes, small, big, experiment. You can have two different sized eyes. There you go. Look, he's already so cute. And then you need your antlers. Now, some people find these tricky, so you might want to sketch some out first and you know, make yourself a little template. I'm going to cut these freehand, mainly because I'm used to it. Let's see, are these going to be big enough? Yeah, I think so, just about. But if you want to, you know, do yourself a template first, that's a really good thing to do as well. So it's basically like a little tree with two arms on each side, a straight bit at the top, and another little arm. But it's not an exact thing. You could also make antlers out of pipe cleaners. That would look super cute. Oh, cut the bottom off. Let's have a look. Ah, that's so cute. And now it's time to stick it all together. Just colouring that bit in. There we go. So I get my glue stick. Put it right in the middle of your tin. think the last thing we need is a little smile. Rudolph is super happy. Right, now we need to add it to your tin can. Now this bit's really easy. Take the sellotape. You add tape to one end. Line it up on the back. Yeah, press that down. Then you get another piece of tape. Wrap this round as neatly as you can and tape in place at the back. There we go. Look at that. Isn't he adorable? And if you've been watching the channel closely, you will have seen the Santa one yesterday, and come back tomorrow for another tin can. I think you can guess what it is. As per usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.